Hello students. So আজি মই তোমালোকক ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েবিলিটি ডিসকাস কৰিব গৈ আছো। ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েবিলিটি এটা বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট চেপ্টাৰ। লিমিটৰ পিছতে কন্টিনিউটি আহে, তাৰ পিছতে আহে ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েবিলিটি। Let f be a real valued function. F is a function from D to R. Be any function where D is a subset of R. Domain D is a subset of R. That is real valued function. हेतु का मैंने लिखा है तो स्टाइल है था let fx y is equal to fx. So y is equal to fx एतो सो एतो बहुत इंपोर्टेंट कथा y is equal to fx real single valued function. X is called independent variable and y is called dependent variable. আৰু সবতকে ইন্টারেস্টিং কথাটো কি ইয়াতে মনত ৰাখিবলগীয়া কথা হ'ল যে here dependent variable is a function of only one independent variable. Dependent variable to eta independent variable function has. So let del x be the small change in x where del y be the corresponding small change in y. আমি কি কৈছো del x to x ত যদি small change এটা কৰি দিও আইদা ইনক্রিজ কৰো বা ডিক্রিজ কৰো suppose y is equal to fx এটা ফাংশন আছে মই x ত যদি এটা চেঞ্জ এটা আনিলো x plus del x লিখিছো small change increase হ'ব পাৰে decrease হ'ব পাৰে so x ত যদি increase হয় তেতিয়ালে y ত কি হ'ব increase হ'ব পাৰে decrease হ'ব পাৰে so এখানে মই increase decrease নকওঁ হেতু এটা আমাৰ বেলেগ চেপ্টাৰ হেতু এটা আমি এপ্লিকেশন অফ ডেৰিভেটিভত আমি হেতু এটা বেলেগ চেপ্টাৰ পঢ়িম increasing decreasing function or monotonic function হেতু চেপ্টাৰ নাম হ'ব so এতিয়া মই জাস্ট কৈছো যে x ৰ যদি এটা স্মল চেঞ্জ এটা আহে কিবা এটা চেঞ্জ আহে x তো বাঢ়ি যায় বা কমি যায় তাহলে কৰেসপন্ডিং y তো কিবা এটা চেঞ্জ এটা আহিব x ত বাঢ়ি গলি ইয়াত বাঢ়িব পাৰে কমিবও পাৰে বা একেও থাকিব পাৰে যিকোনো এটা হ'ব পাৰে suppose del y be the corresponding small change in y so হেকানে f of x plus del x জাগাত কি হ'ব y plus del y হ'ব so del y is equal to y to এফালে লৈ আহিলো মই y to এফালে লৈ আহিলো therefore del y is equal to f of x plus del x minus f of x now dividing both sides by non-zero del x suppose del x is not equal to 0 so both sides divide কৰিলো del y by del x is equal to f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x here it is তুমি পালা it is বহুত important বস্তু del y by del x is called average rate of change of y with respect to x মনটো বনে average rate of change of y with respect to x so ইয়াৰ যদি মই লিমিটিং ভ্যালু লওঁ limit delta x tends to 0 তেতিয়াল দুইফালে লিমিট ল'ব লাগিব ইয়াৰ দুইফালে লিমিট ললো এটো here এটো limit delta x tends to 0 del y by del x is called rate of change of y with respect to x so আগতে মই কি কৈছিলো average rate of change of y with respect to x এবাৰ কলো মই rate of change of y with respect to x যদি লিমিটিং ভ্যালু হয় and which is denoted by dy by dx that is derivative of y with respect to x or f dash of x or y1 or y dash or y dot এবিলাকক আমি কওঁ derivative of the function তেতিয়ালে 1 to কি হ'ব এটো 1 therefore 1 implies এটোক মই লিখিলো f dash of x is equal to this limit del x tends to 0 f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x it is what মই যদি del x equal to h লৈ লও let del x equal to h so ultimately কি হ'ব therefore f dash of x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole thing divided by h ঠিক আছে না So etu hol derivative of the function. So derivative of the function to finally moi ki palo, finally eta limit palo. So limit power lage lage ami agote ami limited paisilu. A limit is said to be exist when right hand limit. Yeta mana limit ko lage lage right hand or left hand duta labo. Eta kom moi limit h tends to 0 plus f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Aru eta hobo limit h tends to 0 minus f of x plus h divided by h. So agote etu moi koisilu right hand limit, etu koisilu moi left hand limit, etu right hand limit, etu left hand limit. So etia je differentiation হৈ গল হেৰ কাৰণে মই কম right hand derivative, etu কম মই left hand derivative. বা ইয়াৰ লিখা ষ্টাইলটো হল এনেকুৱা r f dash of x or l f dash of x. কিন্তু ভুলকৈ মই r f dash of x l f dash of x নপঢ়িবা কেলে এটো আমি এনেকে এটো সাপোজ এটো 1st এটো কি বুলি পঢ়া তুমি 1st বুলি পঢ়া নেকি 1st বুলি পঢ়িলে মানুহ হাঁহিব এটা আমি কওঁ ফার্স্ট 2nd নকওঁ আমি কি বুলি কওঁ 2nd নকওঁ কি বুলি কওঁ সেকেন্ড ঠিক তেনেকে তুমি যদি এটো r f dash of x l f dash of x কয় মানুহ হাঁহিব এটোক মই কম রাইট হ্যান্ড ডেরিভেটিভ এটো কম মই লেফট হ্যান্ড ডেরিভেটিভ ফার্স্ট টাইম কলো আৰু r f dash of x l f dash of x right hand derivative left hand derivative. So therefore a function fx is said to be differentiable if right hand derivative is equal to left hand derivative. So function eta kete differentiable bili kom moi a function is said to be differentiable if right hand derivative is equal to left hand derivative. Ta mane a to right hand derivative must be equal to left hand derivative. এই দুটা যদি ইকুয়াল হয় তেতিয়া আমি ফাংশনটো ডিফারেন্সিয়েবল বুলি কম is said to be differentiable. Therefore if a function is differentiable then f dash of x equal to, that means derivative of the function is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x all thing divided by h. And so this is known as definition of derivative or first principle of derivative. Definition of derivative or first principle of derivative. কিন্তু তোমালকে মোক নখদিবা what is the second principle of derivative. The first principle of derivative, second principle of derivative মই কি না জানো পাইলে কাবা খুদি লবা হয়তো উলবা নাই second principle of derivative. This is called first principle of derivative. ঠিক আছে? So at x equal to c, at x equal to c, at x equal to c, ইয়াতে কিমান আছিল f dash of x, so ইয়াতে কিমান হৈ গলে f dash of c, so replacing x by c হয়নে, so limit h tends to 0, sorry এটো 0 হ'ব লাগে, limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c whole thing divided by h. That is fx is said to be differentiable at x equal to c if right hand derivative of the function at x equal to c, eto ami pohim right hand derivative of the function at the point x equal to c is equal to left hand derivative of the function at the point x equal to c. Right hand derivative of the function means limit h tends to 0 plus f of c plus h minus f of c whole thing divided by h, that is right hand derivative at the point x equal to c is equal to left hand derivative of the function at the point x equal to c. Then fx is said to be differentiable at x equal to c. Again fx equal to f dash of c is equal to limit h tends to 0 c plus h minus f of c whole thing divided by h. Let x equal to c plus h, so c plus h equal to যদি মই x লিখো তেতিয়ালে কি হ'ব, as h tends to 0 x tends to c আৰু h equal to কিমান হ'ব, h equal to হ'ব x minus c. So এটো হলো এটো আমি definition of derivative at a particular point, at the particular point x equal to c. So f dash of c is equal to, f dash of c means derivative of the function at the point x equal to c is equal to limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c. Therefore, if fx is differentiable at x equal to c, then by definition f dash of c is equal to limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c divided by x minus c. A function fx is said to be differentiable in open interval. Ito ami continuity to paisilu. A function is continuous at a point, continuous in an open interval, continuous on the closed interval. So the differentiability to ekhe a function fx is said to be differentiable in open interval ab if বহুতে মোক ফোনতো খুদিছে দেই ওপেন ইন্টারভেলটো সদায় এনেকে লিখো নেকি ওপেন ইন্টারভেল লিখা এটো এটা স্টাইল আছে বা আমি ফার্স্ট ব্র্যাকেটটো আমি লিখিলো এটা ইজ কল ওপেন ইন্টারভেল এটো এটা ওপেন ইন্টারভেল একেই কিছুমানে ফার্স্ট ব্র্যাকেট লিখে কিছুমানে এনেকে লিখে নিজৰ স্টাইলৰ কথা এনেকে লিখিলো হ'ব মই কি কৈছিলো a function fx is said to be differentiable in open interval ab if f is differentiable for all c belongs to the open interval ab. Continuity to একে আসলে খালি আমি differentiability ইয়াৰ আহিলে তাত আছে continuity continuous. Similarly a function fx is said to be differentiable on the closed interval ab if f is number 1 differentiable in open interval ab, number 1 differentiable in open interval ab, number 2 right hand derivative exists finitely. এনেকুৱা নহব যে right hand derivative equal to infinity হলে নহব finitely exist কৰিব লাগিব at the point x equal to a এটো initial point and left hand derivative at x equal to b exists finitely. So ami in case of continuity ami definition to ki koisilu a function is said to be continuous in the closed interval ab if it is continuous at each and every point in the open interval ab if right hand continuous at the initial point and left hand continuous in the terminal point. So yate common change hobo baki sob eki ase yate moi kolo right hand derivative at the initial point exists finitely and left hand derivative at the terminal point exists finitely. A function f is said to be differentiable everywhere. Ami koisilo agote continuous everywhere. Everywhere continuous means function is said to be continuous everywhere if it is continuous for all x belongs to R. Yeto eki hobo a function f is said to be differentiable everywhere if f is differentiable for all x belongs to R. So it will all our definition. Set an example let's go. Example number 1. So that fx equal to x square is differentiable at x equal to 1 and find f dash of 1. Find f dash of 1 means find the derivative of the function at the point x equal to 1. So first yate moi titale right hand derivative or left hand derivative ulabo lagibo at the point x equal to 1. That is right hand derivative of the function at the point x equal to 1. Limit h tends to 0 plus f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 whole thing divided by h. By definition, this equal to limit h tends to 0 plus f of 1 plus h. F of 1 plus h. So we're going to function eki ase f of x equal to x square. So f of theta is equal to theta square. F of c is equal to c square. Therefore f of 1 plus h is equal to 1 plus h square. Therefore it is 1 plus h square. And f of 1 is equal to 1 square divided by h. I simplify korile ultimately my pump limiting value is 2. Similarly, left hand derivative is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 whole thing divided by h. This is the same limit, so ultimately value is 2. here right hand derivative of the function at the point x equal to 1 is equal to left hand derivative of the function at the point x equal to 1. Sorry, at the point x equal to 1. Therefore, f dash of 1 exists and f dash of 1 is equal to 2. So, here to me right hand derivative is equal to left hand derivative at the point x equal to 1. Therefore, f dash of 1 exists and f dash of 1 is equal to 2. Exist kobo karone duita to equal hobo libo. Next so problem to common change kori disu. Agon sinaki so that the function fx equal to this 1 plus x is less than equal to 5 minus x is greater than 2 is not differentiable at x equal to 2. Acha differentiable hok ba na hok ami ultimately ki ulabo ligbo at the point x equal to 2 chabo koise 2 so 2 tumi right hand derivative aro left hand derivative ulabo ligbo. So right hand derivative ulabo karone ami r f dash of 2 that is right hand derivative limit h tends to 0 plus f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 whole thing divided by h. F of 2 plus h is positive, 2 h is positive, h that means h is greater than 0, h tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means h is greater than 0. Therefore, h plus 2 is greater than 2. So, here is 2 plus h is greater than 2. So, function to hobo etu. So, etu function howa lage yate hobo 5 minus 2 minus h. And f of 2, etu 2 hole kiman hobo etu function hoy. F of 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So, ultimately etu 5 minus 2, 3 hoy gol, etu 3 hoy gol, kata kati gusi gol, minus h divided by h is equal to minus 1, therefore is equal to minus 1. Next, left hand derivative, this equal to limit h tends to 0 minus f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 whole thing divided by h. H tends to 0 minus. H tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means k. H is less than 0. H is less than 0 mane kiman hobo? Therefore 2 plus h is less than 2. So agora 2 plus h to greater than 2 paisila. Ebar 2 plus h to ki paisa tumi less than 2 paisa. If 2 plus h is less than 2, then function is 1 plus x. That hobo yate hobo 1 plus 2 plus h. So ei duta bostu beshi important. Ami kedike function to sabo lage 2 plus h. Minus f of 2 is equal to 3 ase. So ultimately duta 3 etu kata gusi gol, h by h kata jabo. Therefore limit h tends to 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. So here you see right hand derivative of the function at the point x equal to 2 is minus 1 and left hand derivative of the function at the point x equal to 2 is equal to plus 1. So right hand derivative is not equal to left hand derivative, therefore fx is not differentiable at the point x equal to 2. So ekelege saba ami next etu problem discuss korim. Next problem to hobo amar is the function fx equal to modulus of x differentiable at x equal to 0. Etu moi next class discuss korim. So continuity jiman class lagile differentiability man class na lage khub sonkale শেষ হৈ যাব। So তোমালোকে অলপ ট্রাই কৰিবা।